Hey guys, welcome back to episode 2 of building a POD empire from scratch. As you guys may know, it's my goal to escape the rat race I found myself in. Before we begin, I want to make a few things clear. I'm not hating on the 9 to 5, it's just not for me, and it's not going to be quick or easy to replace my full-time income. In fact, I believe it will be at least 2022 until I get even close to this goal. Starting from April, I will give you monthly updates on how this is going. So you guys are probably thinking to yourselves by now, well, how is it going? Let's get into it.
So the first thing I've been working on is this spreadsheet, which you can see here. It's split into different sections. The first section is Ahrefs $7 trial keyword method. Second section is search operator method. Third section is the trending designs method. And the fourth one are my own ideas of random cult things which I happen to enjoy. I'm also going to get 10 of these designs professionally created to see whether it makes a difference if I have something professionally made or if I make it myself. So basically the quality of the design.
The only problem is I don't have that much money right now, and I don't really want to underpay someone using a service like Fiverr because I don't really think it's fair. And so I had to turn to one of my friends to ask if he could help me. Anyone else's friends never answer the phone, by the way. Anyway, here's a picture I took from our conversation, and he said he was up for it. So yeah, that's 10 designs that will be professionally designed. Let's get on it. So if you wanted a little bit more information about the spreadsheet, first of all, I'm sorry for blurring out the keywords. It's just people do take my designs, and I do want this to be a proper test of each keyword method without creating false competition from people copying my designs. I do consider myself to be an open YouTuber, but in this case it's not possible. So so design done, design uploaded, searches a month, copyright, text-based image. I recommend that if you guys want to create something big, that you start to organize things like this. So if you're wondering why I take keyword research so seriously, it's because I have 6 years experience in SEO, and I know that it's the most important thing when you start thinking about SEO. If you do your keyword research right the first time, you won't have to do it repeatedly, and you will get the best results. The beautiful thing about these print-on-demand websites is that they already have the SEO done. They have very, very strong websites that can compete with the likes of Amazon. They can compete with anyone because their websites are so trusted and so strong. All you need to do is use keywords to appear on Google for good keywords that have good amount of searches every month, which is exactly what I've done, and it's exactly what I've shown people how to do in my previous videos. I recommend that you check out some of my previous videos. I'll leave some in the call out cards during this video so that you can check them out. So obviously a lot of people know my main Redbubble, so I do have a second Redbubble, just to make it clear that it already does have some designs, but as you can see the traffic is not big, it's made no sales. I would have loved to have put these designs on my main account because I've already made some sales there, but unfortunately, as I said, people tend to take my design ideas. So I'm going to have to use this secondary Redbubble to make things legit. I want this to be a legit test to see which keyword method is best, whether you should get things professionally designed or whether you're okay just using Canva, etc., etc. So yeah, I really hope that you guys follow me in this process and you enjoy it. I've shown you how to find the keywords yourselves. I've got millions of videos about that. Anyone can do what I'm about to do. So I hope that you join me for the ride, and I will see you in the next one, which is when I will have all 40 or 50 designs uploaded to this Redbubble. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Hamish out. Peace.